Here's how we helped our client address customer service concerns about their GPS-enabled collar, ranging from billing inquiries related to monthly subscriptions, website glitches during product purchases, concerns about product performance, and even lost dogs. Our client struggled with customer service operations issues that made frustrated customers even more frustrated. Working Solutions stepped in to help resolve workforce management, quality control, and inaccurate forecasting issues. We assembled a specialized team of technical customer service agents equipped with the skills to troubleshoot issues related to the collar, GPS, and mobile app. Our team focused on recruiting agents who are tech-savvy and have strong empathy and communication skills. We collaborated with our client's engineers to escalate and resolve complex technical issues promptly. By swiftly optimizing staffing levels, we ensured adequate support coverage to minimize customer wait times and enhance overall satisfaction. The results? Significant improvements in satisfaction levels and operational efficiency. Customer satisfaction ratings soared from below 60% to a remarkable 90%. The reduction in abandonment rates and the resolution of customer inquiries promptly alleviated frustration and enhanced trust in the brand. The success of this partnership demonstrates the power of specialized CX talent, Working Solutions pros, who were instrumental in achieving these remarkable outcomes within a short time frame. By leveraging our expertise in strategic workforce management and specialized technical support, customer satisfaction improved significantly, coupled with cost savings and streamlined operations. As pet owners continue to entrust their furry companion's safety to our client, the partnership with Working Solutions ensures that they receive the support they need when they need it, fostering lasting relationships and brand loyalty.